Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 8th, 2017. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. U.S. equities closed mostly lower on Friday. The Dow was down slightly, down just under 2 points, while the S&P 500 managed to lose about 3 points. Nasdaq was a highlight. Nasdaq hit a new intraday high and then closed about 5 points higher, while the Russell gave up about 2 points. So overall, fairly quiet day. Now, we did have some news early on in the morning on Friday. The employment situation report came out, and while economists were mostly expecting a gain of about 90,000 jobs, the report showed a loss of about 33,000 jobs. That due to the recent hurricanes, but it was much less than expected. It's actually the first time we saw a loss, a contraction in the employment market since 2010. So that was pretty significant. Hourly wages, however, did increase to 2.9%, and the employment rate hit a 16-year low of 4.2%. So, how is this going to affect the markets? Bonds on Friday were up slightly, about 35 cents or so. Gold managed to pop after being lower and actually gained almost 6 points, while crude was down 1.5 points. But the U.S. dollar is where I think the employment report really can have an impact on. And so what I think is going to be most important here is the next report. How many jobs are recovered after these hurricanes and so on. How strongly will we recover? Certainly, this puts the likelihood of a rate hike, back in play for sure. I mean, it was in play to begin with, but this makes it a lot more likely to happen by the end of the year. And if that happens, we should expect more upside on the dollar. We were higher on Friday here, pulling back slightly by the end of the session. Let's look at the dollar index chart here, and as you can see, again, we were higher and then pulled back slightly. So this will be something definitely to keep an eye on moving forward. Now, Monday is a holiday, the Columbus Day holiday. However, banks are closed, but markets will be open. All right, and so from a news perspective, Monday really is a non-news day, but Tuesday we get the Red Book report. Wednesday we get the MBA mortgage apps and the JOLTS jobs report. Thursday we get jobless claims, PPI, and money supply. And Friday's a little busier. We get retail sales, which should be important, consumer price index. We get business inventories, consumer sentiment, and the Baker Hughes rig count. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.